up really early today, a lot earlier than usual. All right, now it's only 8 o'clock, but Peyton woke up around 7 and I could not get her to go back to sleep, nursing. I think her stomach was bothering her, and then next thing I know, she had a blowout in my bed. So that's been fun to deal with this morning. Are you trying to cover up? Is she cold? Hey, be careful, don't cover her face. And Luna's been awake since around then too, so fun, fun, fun. They used to sleep in, Luna, stop baby. They used to sleep in until 9, going to bed around 10, and now they're starting to wake up at 8 and now 7. So I don't know what's going on. Why they don't want to sleep in anymore, huh? Here. What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? Ow! Luna, don't pull my hair, please. So I chopped my hair off to begin with, and then it still gets pulled. I should shave my head, huh? Should I shave my head? Should I shave my head? Here's Peyton. Do you have a nice poopy? I'm so tired of blowouts. Seems like she has like a couple blowouts every single week. And we just changed her diaper size. We went up a size. Thinking that might be it, but. You're so pretty. Oh. Yeah, you don't need it. That's her bow collection up there. She has a ridiculous amount. Well, it's for both girls now, but we like our bows. Yeah, you're not playing on my phone. Sorry. Alright, so we're up and ready. We are about to have a play date today, about 30 minutes from church. 2 little girls. One is 3, Miss Elena, and one is 1.5, Lily. And so Luna likes to play with them. So they're headed there on their way over here in about 30 minutes. I'm not going to record during that just because some parents, you know, don't want their kids to be recorded, and I understand that. So, but she's going to have lots of fun. And just to let you guys know, I did not record Sunday. So there was no vlog up today, which is yesterday for you. So, just an FYI. I don't know if that's going to be every Sunday not to film. We just wanted to not film Sunday and just spend time with one another, not worry about having to film. So, that's what we did. She's looking cute in her new shirt from Grandma and Grandpa Kenny. Here, you want to stand up and show your outfit? That's the shirt, the front of the shirt. It's very cute. And I like the back of the shirt. Like that. Very, very cute. Alright. Play date's over and this is the aftermath. Toys everywhere. Luna's stealing Daddy's chips. Huh. What are you gonna talk to me some more? Hey. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Tell me about it. What? What are you saying? Guys, I'm going to fall asleep just sitting here. Luna and I are reading a book she got for her birthday from Mama and Papa. I'm so tired. These girls, and they're waking up earlier and going to bed later. It's just draining. Peyton is sleeping though, which is good. She She's been really good today. She's been taking, this is her second nap already, and it's almost 2 o'clock, which 2 o'clock is Luna's bedtime, so we'll get there. We're almost there. Almost. Well, I am one happy mama. I took a nap, thankfully. I got Luna to take a nap, and then I nursed her beside me. Yeah, and she let me take a nap too, about 2 hours. It was lovely. I haven't taken a nap like that in a while. And it sounds like Luna's actually waking up a little early from her nap. Hey! Yeah. She woke up really happy too. Huh. Huh. It's a happy girl. It's a happy girl. Yeah. What are you doing? Here. Can I get you? You kitty pie. This happy girl. Hey. Hey. Happy girl. What? What? Hi. Hi. You got something to say? Oh, thank you for pooting. Thank you. Yeah. Luna woke up from her nap a little cranky. I think it's her teeth because she's getting all 4 of those molars in. So we gave her a popsicle. She was happy for about 10 seconds.
Did you do your homework like you said you would? Come on, Alvin. I only sent Harmony back to the factory because
You have your baby? Someone's a little happier now.
Here are the matches.
She's out of here. Alright, I don't know if you can tell. It's kind of bright, but you can so see brown in her eyes. We're gonna have another brown-eyed baby. Another brown-eyed baby. We might never have a green-eyed kid like Daddy, huh? That's okay. Brown eyes are cool too. Alright, we're gonna be making some strawberry banana bread because we've got some really ripe bananas here. Okay, you ready? you copying me? Help. Say help. Me. Please. Good girl. We're getting ready for bedtime. Bedtime. She wants to peel the sticker off the toothpick for some reason. This is the end product of my strawberry banana bread. We'll have to taste test it. It's still cooling down. Yeah. Is it stuck? Stuck?
No.
Help. You getting it? Oh, good job. Help. Stuck. I don't think it's all gonna come off. Hey, can you say night night? Night night. Say bye. Good night. Love you.